Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How. And in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can add custom resolutions in Kali Linux. So first I'm going to show you that I don't have 1080p resolution in my Kali device. So I'm going to add that. So first you have to open the terminal and type in the command xrandr. And you have to remember your display adapter name. In my case it's DVI0, but in your case it may be something different. So now you have to type another command cvt and your desired resolution size. But if you don't know that what is the exact size of your desired resolution, just open your browser. So I'm gonna add full HD resolution, so I'm gonna search full HD resolution size. So as you can see, it's 1920 multiplied by 1080. So type 1920 space 1080. So it has provided the Modeline for 1080p resolution. So type another command xrandr double slash add mode. No, it's new mode. Double slash new mode. And you have to copy this Modeline and paste it right here and hit enter. And you have to type another command xrandr double slash add mode. Now you have to type your display adapter name. So in my case it's DVI0 and your desired resolution. So I'm gonna copy the resolution and paste it right here. So hit enter. So now your resolution is successfully added into the Kali Linux. Let me show you. So as you can see, the resolution is successfully added, but all the work is not done yet, because when you will restart your PC, this resolution will be get removed. So you have to do another thing. Just open another terminal and type in the command sudo su and type in the command cd dot dot, and again you have to put cd dot dot, hit ls, and you have to go to the etc folder. So just type etc, and now you have to open profile as a text editor. So type gedit dot slash profile. So take a look on the last two lines. I have already added a resolution. So you have to do the same. Just open the terminal in which we have created the mod lines. So copy this and paste it into the text editor. And again, you have to do the same for the second command and paste it into the text editor. Now just simply save the text editor and restart your Kali device. So I have already added my desired resolution, so I'm not gonna add that again. So thanks for watching. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel.